Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to reset password on the Nextdoor account. To reset your password on Nextdoor, first of all go ahead and open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in nextdoor.com and search. Doing this will take you to your official website for Nextdoor. Go ahead and click the login button at the top right corner from the home page. You will be then asked to enter your email or mobile number followed by your account's password. If you've forgotten your password for Nextdoor, then click on the Forgot Password link. Now, type in the email address associated with your account on the next page. Once you are done, click on I'm Not a Robot and click on Send Reset Email. Now, open up your email inbox and make sure to open up the same email inbox that you just entered the email for. You can use a new tab in order to do that, and you will receive an email from Nextdoor. Click it open and then click on the link provided inside your inbox. You will then be guided through a next step where you can easily enter a new password. Type in the new password you want to reset to in the new password text box. This time, make sure to type in the password you will be able to remember. Now enter the same password on the next field and finally click on Set New Password. If you want your account to be more secure, it is a good option to check this little box at the bottom, which will then log you out of any other devices that you may be logged in with the previous password. After clicking on Set New Password, you will then be able to reset your password to a new one. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the recently updated password. So that is how you can easily reset password on Nextdoor if you've forgotten it during logging in. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.